Great discussion. We are getting geared up to purchase our first rental. We're using the equity in our home to finance. What advice do you have in regards to using the Heloc to finance the rental and the rehab? Yeah, I think this is a great idea. I mean, for the home equity line of credit, you only pay the interest, so you don't have to do anything on the principal while you have it out. So it's significantly cheaper than any other financing option available to you. I think so long as you attack it very feverishly and you're intentional about utilizing these funds quickly, seeing to it that the project is done swiftly and that you're, kind of hawkish with the funds that you deploy because you are putting your personal home on the line. So I would highly recommend that when you utilize the equity from your home like this, just do it as quickly as possible, because the last thing that you want, there are some, it's not uncommon for some real estate projects to really drone on. Like, I think our longest rehab at this point has been going on for over 500 days, which is a really sad metric for us, but nonetheless, there are completely justifiable reasons as to why it's drug on for so long. So it would not feel good if the funds were coming from our home equity line of credit. Again, it would still be cheaper, but with the security on the line being your personal home, it's not something that I would necessarily recommend. So see to it that everything is handled efficiently, and when problems arise, always take those to the top of your list. If this is your first one, I imagine that you won't be very distracted. So I would just make sure that you do a decent amount of due diligence and staying on top of it-ness.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.